Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add hyperlink to a Facebook post. So in here, just open your Facebook. After that, just copy the link that you want to add to the Facebook post. So for example, I'm going to copy the link of my video here. Okay, copy link. After that, enter the Facebook again. Here, click on this, what's on your mind, to create a post. So I'm going to write first, for example, let's okay, watch this, for example. Okay, after this, you can just click on this, or you can just paste the link like this. Okay, it will load, and now the hyperlink will be shown in your post. After that, just click on next. Here, just click on share. Okay, after that, here is the Facebook post with the hyperlink. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.